Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to upgrade Windows 10 1909 to Windows 10 2004. As you can see here, I'm running 1909. So to manually upgrade to 2004, all you have to do is just go into Settings, click on the Start button, and go to Settings. Go to Updates and Securities. So here, the Windows Update error encounter. This is the last update. It was on May 15th, 2020. So the last time it was initial trying to check for update, it failed. So I'm going to try to um, do a retry so it checks for the new updates. It looks like the checking for updates will take a few minutes. I'm going to pause the recording and we'll come back. All right, looks like it has all these updates, the June's updates. So I'm going to skip the June's update. I'm going to go ahead and update the versions 2004. Click on download and install. This update will begin after all the updates in your queue is finished installing. So it's going to finish these updates first, and then it will install the 2008. I'm going to expand this. So it's installing the other updates, pending install, getting ready for this. So I'm going to pause the recording while it's doing all this. So as you can see here, it's installing the cumulative update for June. All right, look like it's cumulative update. It's pending restart. Let's wait until it's finished this one. All right, look like the patches has been completed. Now it's going to restart. Once it restarts, it's going to install the feature updates 2004. Let's go ahead and restart this computer.